Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change text font style in a PDF file using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Nitro Pro PDF Editor and click on this home option, and here you will find this edit option. Click here. Now click on this text box and drag your mouse cursor and select all text, and here showing this formatting option, and this is text font style option. Here you can change the text font style and apply new font style and so on. And see this text font style now change. Also I will change this text font style, and see this text font style now change. In this way you can change and apply new text font style. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.